Origin and backstory. Birth and universe. Real name, Clark Kent. No alias. His parents actually named him after the comic hero. Homeworld, Earth Prime. A version of the DC multiverse where superheroes only exist in comic books. First appearance, DC Comics presents number 87, 1985. In his world, Clark Kent was a normal teenager in Connecticut. He admired Superman from the comics, until the night Halley's Comet passed overhead, triggering his Kryptonian powers. It was then revealed that he was, in fact, a Kryptonian, the only real superhero on Earth Prime. He briefly fought alongside the original Superman of Earth 2, Supergirl, and others during Crisis on Infinite Earths. When his universe was destroyed in that event, he retreated into a paradise dimension with Earth 2's Superman and Lois Lane, and the villain Alexander Luthor Jr. descent into madness. In the paradise, Superboy Prime could see into the new reborn universe through crystalline walls. Over time, he grew bitter and resentful, watching how the new generation of heroes became darker, flawed and morally gray compared to his idealistic world. He became convinced that he was the true and rightful Superman, and that this new world had gone wrong. Eventually, in a fit of rage, he punched the walls of reality, breaking through the barrier and altering the multiverse itself. Those reality punches caused timeline shifts, such as resurrecting Jason Todd, the second Robin, and changing the continuity of many DC characters. This event sparked Infinite Crisis 2005-2006, where Superboy Prime re-entered the main DC universe, slaughtering heroes and Green Lanterns in his quest to fix everything, powers and abilities. Superboy Prime possesses the purest, most unfiltered form of Kryptonian power ever seen. Core abilities, superhuman strength, far exceeds all known versions of Superman. He once pushed planets, shattered dimensional barriers, and fought entire teams of heroes at once. Invulnerability. He survived red sun exposure, magic blasts, and even Guardian-level attacks with little harm. Super speed. Can move faster than light and travel across galaxies in moments. Flight. Unlimited range and velocity. Space and dimensional travel are effortless. Enhanced senses. X-ray, telescopic, microscopic, and heat vision of cosmic magnitude. Energy projection. His heat vision has destroyed Owen Guardians and melted through Green Lantern constructs easily. Longevity. Does not age normally, biologically immortal. Regeneration, rapid healing, solar absorption enhances this. Power armor. Created by the Anti-Monitor, this armor feeds him continuous yellow sun radiation, keeping his power stable even away from a sun. Unique feats killed Connor Kent, Superboy, in combat. Fought and nearly defeated two Supermen simultaneously, Earth 2 and New Earth. Destroyed entire Green Lantern Corps units solo, punched through the Speed Force barrier and escaped it. Weaknesses. Despite near-limitless strength, Superboy Prime has some exploitable flaws. Red sun radiation still weakens him, though far less than other Kryptonians due to his armor. Magic. Can affect him, though his durability makes it difficult to harm him significantly. Emotional instability. His biggest weakness. His arrogance, paranoia, and insecurity cloud his judgment and make him reckless. Isolation. His mental instability worsens when isolated or rejected, often causing psychotic breaks. Need for validation. He desperately wants recognition as the real Superman, making him manipulable by those who flatter or deceive him. Universe and multiversal role. Universe of origin, Earth Prime, a mirror of our own, real-world DC Comics. Multiversal designation, Prime Earth 33 and later continuity. Cosmic function, Superboy Prime acts as a meta-commentary on fandom itself. A reader who entered the story, obsessed with purity and continuity, unable to accept change. He is both a tragic reflection of Superman's hope twisted by bitterness and a mirror of toxic idealism that can't accept imperfection. What drives him, Superboy Prime, is driven by a need to restore what he perceives as the true universe, a desperate hunger for validation. He wants to be recognized as the real Superman, anger at imperfection. He cannot handle moral ambiguity, corruption, or darkness in heroes. A twisted sense of justice, believes he's saving the universe even as he destroys it. At his core, He's a broken hero who still sees himself as righteous. Allies: Alexander Luthor Jr. During Infinite Crisis, manipulated Prime. Anti-Monitor, briefly allied during Sinestro Corps War. Sinestro Corps. Prime became one of their champions, wearing a yellow power ring. Darkest Night, Perpetua's forces, occasional cosmic alliances. However, Prime rarely keeps allies. His arrogance and volatility cause betrayals on both sides. Thematic role. Superboy Prime is not just a villain, he's a meta-character. He embodies the fan who can't let go, who demands perfection from his heroes but can't see his own flaws. He's both a tragedy and warning. The fall of innocence through obsession. Later years in DC Infinite Frontier, 2021-2022, Superboy Prime shows remorse and self-awareness. He helps save the multiverse from destruction and is granted a peaceful life with his parents on a restored Earth Prime, suggesting that even the most fallen souls can find redemption.